Hey Viola, how are you doing, you baby sister?
Is this big brother here?
Yep, that's my son. That's all it is.
And I do YouTube videos.
All right. Are you excited?
I'm still gonna upload this.
Put that on the computer.
Listen.
I can hear it.
How have we done at keeping your pain under control?
I told her I was starting to store, so here.
She's so
Ready
tiny.
to take stuff. You're in good hands with Betsy, have you today?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. And have you had to use your call light much to ask for stuff? Or
Why,
is it around
yeah.
like pretty routinely?
Yeah.
Hey baby sis.
Stop by and let me know about breakfast and everything, so we've already ate.
Can't wait till we get
Is
home,
there any
can
staff
you?
that you would like to acknowledge?
And
Anybody
sleep
that's
right
stood out
next
for
to
you?
me in your own room. Oh, this is baby Viola. Bye bye.